Hello students, today we are going to discuss the third numerical of sedimentation. Question will be given as find the efficiency of the sedimentation tank. What we need to find? We need to find the efficiency of the sedimentation tank if the diameter of particle is 0.1 mm, specific gravity is given as 2.65, density of water is equals to 1000 kg per meter cube, kinematic viscosity is given here, that is 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 centimeter square per second, discharge is given as 50 mld and surface area is given as 500 meter square. So we need to find here the efficiency of the sedimentation tank. Okay, we will start the solution by writing the all the given quantities, that is diameter of particle, which will be equals to 0.1 mm. So we just convert this mm into meter, that is 0.1 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter. Now the next value which will be given here is specific gravity equals to 2.65. Density of water is also given, which will be equals to 1000 kg per meter cube. Similarly, kinematic viscosity is given, that is nu, which will be equals to 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 centimeter square per second. Now we want this in meter square per second, so we just write here as 2 into 10 to the power minus 2. Okay, now for the conversion of 1 centimeter into 1 meter, we need to multiply here 10 to the power minus 2, but we want the conversion of centimeter square into meter square, so we just write here as 10 to the power minus 4 meter square per second. Clear? Now it will be equals to 2 into 10 to the power minus 6 meter square per second. Clear to all? Now discharge is given as 50 mld, that is 50 into 10 to the power 6 liter per day, but we want this in meter cube per day, so we just write it as 50 into 10 to the power 6. Now the conversion is in 1 meter cube there will be 1000 liter, so in 1 liter there will be 10 to the power minus 3 meter cube. Okay, now we want the conversion of day into second, so in 1 day there will be 24 hours, in 1 hour there will be 60 minutes, and in 1 minute there will be 60 seconds. So we just convert this value into meter cube per second, and it will be equals to 50 into 10 to the power 3 divided by 24 divided by 3600, and it will be equals to 0.578 meter cube per second. We had converted the discharge from liter per day to meter cube per second. Okay, now we will go for the settling velocity calculation, which will be equals to gd square upon 18 nu g minus 1. Here I had used the formula gd square upon 18 mu because here in place of dynamic viscosity kinematic viscosity is given, so we just write it as 9.81 into 0.1 into 10 to the power minus 3 whole square 2.65 minus 1 divided by 18 nu, which will be equals to 18 into 2 into 10 to the power minus 6, and the settling velocity comes out as 4.49 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter per second. Okay, now we need to calculate the overflow rate, that is the V naught. It will be equals to discharge upon surface area. Discharge we had already converted into meter cube per second, that is 0.578 meter cube per second. Okay, and surface area is given in the question, that is 500 meter square. From meter square will cancel out, and when we divide 0.578 by 500 we will get the value as 1.157 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter per second. Okay, now we had settling velocity and we also calculated V naught. Now the formula of efficiency is Vs upon V naught into 100. So we need to put the value of Vs and V naught here. Vs will be equivalent to 4.49 into 10 to the power minus 3, and V naught will be equals to 1.157 into 10 to the power minus 3 multiplied by 100, and it will be nearly equals to 388%. Okay, now efficiency will never be greater than 100%, but in the question, it is given that we need to calculate the efficiency according to the given data. So for this given data, the efficiency of sedimentation tank will be coming out as 388%. That is the complete solution of this question. Thank you very much, students.